Hey, Bella. 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 Yeah, what is it, Luna? Guys, I have the perfect plan. Oh, what is it? Please tell me. I always go on an adventure. I, oh, I want to help Jeff stop being so, shy. And I want you to do it. Please, Bella. Please. Ugh, fine. But if he doesn't tell you, don't come crying to me. Yay! Thank you, Bella. Yay! God, fuck. I do not get paid enough for this. What does it mean to get paid? Paid. Oh, human shit. Anyway, let's go find Jeff to answer your business question. No, just that Jeff is normally. Oh, there it is. Hey Jeff, how are you doing? Bella, I might sound fucking crazy, but I saw the ghost of me. The ghosts of Rosie. Anyway, Jeff, can you talk about that later? Right now, I have a question from 323 and Luna. They want to know why you are like this. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, I just got picked on in my old railway just for being good. And I was getting scrapped, and my driver did some digging and found out that my name is actually Alex. And I want to be a part of your group. ever since 323 has humbled down Martin and Jack, they have been going after me. Oh, well, you're happy to join us, Alex, if that's what you'd be called. Anyway, about this ghost situation. You said that it looked like Rosie? Yeah, the ghost of Rosie. Um, she. The ghost tells she normally is. You know, a little prankster. Well, the only way we can talk this out is through Mac. Mac is really her sister. They grew up together. So if Mac can get rid of this ghost, if anyone can get rid of this ghost, it would have to be him. It would have to be him. Anyway, thanks for your cooperation, Alex. A personal name off onto everyone else. I've got you back, Alex.